Do you need to replace the heatsink fan assembly on the Alienware m16 R2? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Then pry open the bottom base cover. Then disconnect the battery cable. Now unscrew and remove the rear I/O cover. Next, unscrew the heatsink. Now disconnect and remove the heatsink. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your processors and heatsink. And for maximum cooling, do not touch these heat transfer areas. The oils in your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the processor before replacing your heatsink. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.